On this activity, you will create a magazine cover by using masks and channels. You already learned a little with the past activity. First, you will open your mask and channels PSD. Next, you will save as mask and channels photo, your name, your grade, and your group. Next, you will select on the quick selection tool that it is hidden where the magic wand tool is located. And you will select 15 of size and 100% of hardness. You will select a man. Don't worry if it is not perfect. So when you're satisfied with your selection, you will add a layer mask by clicking on this button. Next, you will go on Window Properties and you will click on the mask edge. And in the view mode, you will click the arrow to the next to the preview window and you will choose on black. Next, you will go to the adjust edge and you will move the sliders to create a smooth and unfeathered edge along the shirt and face. Okay, so next you will go to Output and you will click on Decontaminate Colors. Then you will select New Layer with Layer Mask. On step 12, you will select the Zoom tool that is located in the Refine Mask dialog box. And then you will click to the face to zoom in and see its edges more clearly. Then you will select the Refine Radius tool. And you will use it to paint out any white background that remains on the lips or on the nose. Okay. Now, when you are finished, you will click OK. Then, you will go to the Layer 0 copy and you will go to the mask edge. But now, you will choose on the arrow on white. And next, you will again select the Refine Radius tool. But now you are going to paint along the hair to create more refine. You will refine it. Okay, so when you're satisfied, you will select the Erase Refinement tool that it is hidden behind the Refine Radius tool, and you will click twice each area where the background still remains. So for example here, okay, so now you will click to Decontaminate Colors and you will put on 85. And again you will select a new layer with Layer Mask. And then you will click OK. Step 20. In the Layers panel, make the magazine background layer visible. Okay, so then you will hide the magazine background layer so you can focus on the model. Then you will delete the layer 0 and 0 copy layers. Layer 0 and 0 copy. And next, you will rename the layer 0 copy to model 8. Step 23. Click in the Edit Quick Mask Mode button in the Tools panel. Click then select the brush tool. And then go to the options bar and select normal and 13 of size. Step 26. Paint the earpiece of the glasses frames. You can do zoom so you can see the glasses better. So you paint over the glasses, change the color. If you think your size is too big, you can change it. Okay, so when you're satisfied with your painting, click the Edit in Standard Mode button to exit the Quick Mask Mode. It's right down here. Choose Select Inverse to select the area you originally masked. Change the hue to 70. Step 30. Change the hue to 70. You will go to Image, Adjustments, and Hue Saturation. And you will change it to 70. And then click OK. Then you will deselect. A shortcut to deselect is Command D. Okay, step 32. With the model layer selected, that is this one, in the Layers panel, choose Edit Puppet Wrap. And add approximately 10 pins around the neck or the shirt. So now click to one pin and you have two options. You can click Alt and drag the pointer to rotate the head backwards, or in the options bar you can enter 135. Okay. So now step 36. Press enter when you're done. Okay, step 37. In the Layers panel, command click the layer icon in the model layer to select the mask area. Select Save Section, choose Channel menu. Step 37. In the Layers panel, command click the layer icon in the model layer to select the mask area. So, command click. And now it's selected. Step 38. Select Save Selection and choose Channel menu, New, and name the channel Model Outline. Okay, so select Save Section, New, Model Outline. Okay, so then you click OK. Then you will create a new layer. Rename it Shadow. Drag it below the model layer. So, new layer, Shadow, and you will put it below the model layer. Then, with the shadow layer selected, choose Select Refine Edge. So, select Refine Edge. And you will change the Shift Edge to 36. And then click OK. Choose Edit Fill in the Fill dialog box. And then choose Black from the Use menu. And then click OK. So we will click Edit, Fill. We will choose Black. And then click OK. And then in the Layers panel, change the layer opacity to 30. And then deselect. A shortcut to deselect is Command D. Step 44. Select the shadow and model 8 with with command. And then you will go to Edit, Transform, Skew, and you will change the rotate to -15, that is right up here, and the X field, that is here, to 845. And then you'll click Enter. Step 45, select the mode layer. And then go to Image, Mode, and select the CMYK color. And click Don't Merge and OK. Then option click Visibility icon for the model layer to hide the other layers. And then go to Channel and choose the black channel and duplicate the channel. And you will name it Hair. And then click OK. Step 49. Make the hair channel visible and hide the black one. Then select the hair channel and choose Image, Adjustments, Levels. And you will change the black to 85, the midtones to 1, and the white to 165. And then click OK. Then, with the hair channel still selected, choose Image, Adjustment, Invert. The channel appears white against a black background. Select the brush tool and click the switch foreground and background. Okay, so you will click the foreground. You will change it to black. This is a switch foreground background, so you will change it to black. Then paint over the glasses size and anything the channel isn't here. So you can make a little bit of zoom and you will brush the glasses. Don't brush the hair because then it would not work. Okay, so now you will click so then you will select the layer tab and in the layer panel select the mode layer, model layer. Then to select Refine Edge and move the feather slider to 1.2 px and then click OK. The feather slider to 1.2 and then click OK. So then choose Image Adjustments, Hue Saturation, Colorize, that is right here, and then move the slider as follow and click OK. The hue to 230, you can type it if you want, the saturation to 56, and the lightness to 11. Then click OK and choose Image Adjustments, Levels. And in the Levels dialog box, move the slider so the black slider is positioned where the blacks peak. Okay. Then the white slider where the whites peak and the midtones in between. Then click OK. We use the values 58, 1.65, but your values may vary. In the Layers panel, make the shadow and magazine background layers visible. And Command Deselect. Save and submit to Schoology.